Okay, guys, this is about the modern contemporary house with a dimension for the wide around a for the width of this house around 10.9 meter and for the length to the back around 18.5 meter. We can see about the outside of this house. It's the modern look and contemporary house anyway. There are so much element. There are so much element of this exterior house with glass element and the arrangement of this vertical element of the stick anyway of the board, the vertical arrangement of the vertical board over there, and about the wood panel of the cladding for several purpose, especially actually to the on the left side also it has several wood element over there, and it has a lot of room. Maybe it has a lot of room in the on the inside, and it has semi outdoor balcony in above of this terrace or semi outdoor room or entrance area anyway, and it has several access for the house with a main entrance on are over there and another entrance. The second entrance are over there. The second entrance in here are going through the stair from this way anyway. So maybe for another user can go to the inside of this house through the stair to go to the first floor or rooftop area anyway, because I mean it's about the privacy purpose anyway for the owner of this house. Maybe it just can for the owner maybe from can enter the house from this all over access, but for the um, user or consumer who rent this room anyway, maybe it's only can enter the house only from this second or third access anyway because of the privacy purpose anyway. And it has side balcony also beside the stair area over there. Anyway, it has three floor. There are the first floor, second floor, and the third floor with a rooftop area. And this is about the stair area over there with arrangement of this vertical element over there. And actually, I mean, it's need more simple and touch for the exterior concept and exterior design anyway, because I mean it's for commercial purpose anyway, so it's not only for the house purpose but it also for the rent house on the inside also. So we can see about the inside. Anyway, this inside is only empty space because it concern on the exterior only anyway. So we can see more for the upper floor over there, and it has empty floor also, and then so we can see by the rooftop. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching and wait for my next video. Thank you.